Hello again. Sorry, that other video stopped when we tried to go there. But this is the funniest prank dial thing you've ever heard. Okay, ready? Here we go.
You kick my dog. I don't know if you could hear it. Wait, stop.
Okay, we have to put you close up to the thing.
Okay.
Ready?
Hello? Hi. I was just calling because I live down the street from you and your daughter come to my house today and she
Kick my dog.
This is Kirpan. Kirpan,
Goodbye.
your daughter come to my house today and she come on my property and then she kicked
kicked my dog.
And now my dog needs operation.
What?
I don't know if you guys can hear
Why
this.
did she do it?
Why is she kicking my dog?
You don't act stupid.
I don't know what you should do.
Don't ask stupid question. No, you shut up. You try to
Shut up.
confuse. I'm going to
We call the police.
and then you're going to go to jail.
You go to jail.
Shut up.
Shut
You
up.
shut up.
Alright,
You
shut
shut
up.
up.
That's
Shut up, you stink.
You stink too,
You know damn right.
I was trying to use it.
I'm motherfucker.
bastard. You just been fooled by prankdial.com. So we did a lot of those, and a lot of people believed them. Like, we gave away M&M tickets apparently, and you know, I'm gonna say exactly what happened at the end. The kid goes, "All right, you fucking faggot. I'm gonna find out who the fuck this is. I'ma fuck you up, all right, motherfucker's like, yeah, motherfucker." It was really funny. You should have been there. I think I'm gonna be a comedian when I grow up. You think I should be? Because I can be really funny.
No.
Shut up, gay punad.
No.
Katie's talking to boyfriend.
Oh, damn.
No.
Stop trying to interrupt our thing, bitch.
No.
Ready? It's ready on the count of three.
No.
You have to just pretend like it's a picture. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
No.
Your mother's
Oh,
international.
I got my
No.
ears pierced,
Oh, yeah, me too. All the way
but I
up.
have 2 and she doesn't. And then I also have this ear.
Okay.
Well, she thinks she's cool.
Yes, I had to have an extra
She did it because
earring.
Michelle had it.
Never mind.
Actually, no, I got the second home first.
I have the songs called.
You want to suck my dick?
I'm
Big
ripping
and
balls
fluffy.
off, hang 'em on it.
Ready? I hate your
Okay.
fucking guts. I'm gonna slit your fucking throat. I'm gonna eat your eyeballs out and hang your balls on a rope, bitch.
Nothing.
If you didn't find that funny, then I think you should go to the
Nothing.
psychiatrist.
Forget
It's
it.
so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
No.
Is yours fluffy?
No.
Because mine is.
Mine's fluffy, real fluffy.
Really fluffy?
Really fluffy, I just want to eat it.
Forget it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dick, 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 dick.
Oh,
stop.
shit.
Mommy,
Should I have them apple bottom
No, do you know the
jeans?
hip swing song? So do you know the song of that?
The
Hold
one-
on. Yeah.
The hip swing song. You did that. By
No,
Savage
yeah.
or something.
Yeah, I have it.
Yeah, play that. Do you know
You're
the
an
beginning of
idiot.
it?
Mommy.
With the fur, the whole club was looking at her.
She hit the floor, she hit the floor.
Or is it swing?
No, no.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? You guys know the song?
Yeah.
You gonna sing it?
I don't know this song.
Ready?
Thing.
Nah.
Shake that ass and move it like a gypsy. Stop, hold, back it up. Now let
I'm
me
sure.
see your hips swing.
Oh,
What? No, don't you dare. Shut up.
Let me see your hips swing.
Keep going. Do it happy.
Alright, bye.
Wait, I think